So we shall see the next problem on belt drives. A compressor is driven by 900 rpm motor by means of 250 mm into 10 mm flat belt. The motor pulley is 0.3 meter in diameter and the compressor pulley is 1.5 meter diameter. The distance between centers of pulleys is 2 meter. A jockey pulley is used to make the angle of wrap on the smaller pulley 220 degree and larger pulley 270 degree. So here jockey pulley is nothing but if the belt drives are like this. So if this is a belt drive, this is smaller pulley and this is larger pulley. This is a jockey pulley. So it increases the angle of lap on both smaller pulley as well as larger pulley. So here they have given that jockey pulley is used to make the angle of wrap of the smaller pulley 220 degree and larger pulley 270 degree. The coefficient of friction between belt and the smaller pulley is 0.3 and between belt and the larger pulley is 0.5. So here they have given two coefficient of frictions. The maximum allowable belt stress is 2 meganewton per meter square and the specific weight of the belt material is 9.515 kilonewton per meter cube. Determine the power that can be transmitted by the belt drive. So we shall write down the data now. Compressor is driven by 900 rpm motor by means of so we shall take the speed. Here the motor pulley is 0.3 meter diameter and compressor pulley is 1.5 meter diameter. Compressor is a smaller pulley here, so we shall take NS is 900 rpm. This is the width of belt and this is the thickness of belt. Larger diameter is capital D 0.3 meter and smaller diameter is small d 1.5 meter diameter. The distance between center distance capital C is 2 meters. Jockey pulley is used to make the angle of lap. So the smaller angle theta S is equal to 220 degree. So converting this to radians, we will get 3.84 radians. And angle of lap for larger pulley is 270 degree, and by converting this to radians we will get the value as 4.71 radians. The coefficient of friction for between belt and the smaller pulley is 0.3 and the coefficient of friction for belt and larger pulley is 0.5. Maximum allowable stress is 2 meganewton per meter square. So this is nothing but 2 MPa because Newton per meter square is Pascal and mega is M 10 power 6, so we can write it as 2 MPa. And the specific weight of the belt material is 9.515. Specific weight is small w 9.515 kilonewton per meter cube. Determine the power that can be transmitted. They are asking us to find the power. So before finding power, we shall find out the velocity. Velocity pi d(n) by 60. So since they have given thickness, we shall consider thickness. So here they have given the speed of smaller pulley. So we have to take the diameter of smaller pulley. 1.5 plus t 10 into 10 power minus 3. Here for diameter I have taken d plus t thickness. So since they have given the speed of smaller pulley, I am taking diameter of smaller pulley. and n is 900 rpm divided by 60. So V is 14.61 meter per second. Since this value is greater than 10 meter per second, we have to consider centrifugal tension into account. TC into consideration. So here also in they are given two coefficient of friction, sig mu s, mu l. So whichever value, the design should be based on smaller value of mu theta. So we shall write it. Since they have given two values of coefficient of friction, the design is based on smaller value of mu theta. Here we have to take the product of mu theta, and the design would be based on smaller value of the product of mu theta. So we shall find the product of mu theta here, mu s theta s. So I am finding the value of smaller coefficient of friction and smaller angle. Mu s is 0.3 and mu theta s is 3.84. So this value is 1.152. Similarly, we can find mu l theta l. So this is 0.5 into theta l is 4.71. This is 1.178. So the design is based on smaller value of mu theta. So the design is based on smaller pulley. The design is based on smaller pulley because the value this is lesser than this. So now we shall find the power. So to find the power, we shall take this formula, power transmitted. We shall take this formula. This formula is from 14.5a, page number 291. B is width 250, T is thickness 10, V is velocity, we have found out 14.61 divided by 1000. Sigma D is the allowable stresses, they have given 2 MPa. W they have given 9.515 and velocity is 14.61 square. 10 bar 6 into G. G is 9.81. So E power mu theta, E power mu theta is 1.152. So the value of power which we have found out is 44.88, 44.80 kilowatts. So this is the amount of power that is achieved by considering the design based on smaller pulley.